3rd NP Battalion, commanded by Havildar Oso Kian. The DEF Tank, commanded by ABSI Visoto. The 4th NP Battalion, commanded by ABSI Cecil Angami. The DEF Mon, commanded by Lance Knight Wangpai. The 5th NP Battalion, commanded by Havildar Ruzalo Dulo. The DEF Woka, commanded by ABSI Habemolota. The 6th NP Battalion, commanded by Knight Nawang. The DEF Zinapoto, commanded by ABSI Akoba Sangcham. The 7th NP Battalion, commanded by Havildar Rupendhan. CP Dimapur, commanded by Havildar Kewangbo Zilian. The 8th NP Battalion, commanded by Knight Aboto Ayub. The DEF Perim, commanded by Knight Mantang Pong. The 9th NP Battalion, commanded by ABSI Ken Riley. The DEF Kipri, commanded by Knight Chipise Sanctum. The 10th NPIR Battalion, commanded by Havildar Vihoka. The DEF Longland, commanded by ASI Kyaju. The 11th NPIR Battalion, commanded by Havildar P. Yansao Kitan. The DEF Noklak, commanded by Knight Tangin. The 12th NPIR Battalion, commanded by Havildar Samson Yimkyu.
I did!
the IGINT commanded by HC Akalong Sangtan. The 13th NPIR Battalion commanded by ABSI K. Luang. Nagaland Police Training School, commanded by Constable Otoka Suni. The 15th NPIR Mahila Battalion, commanded by Havildar Rabo Krenya. The NP Rangers, commanded by Havildar K.H. Ramesh Singh. And finally, the Nagaland Armed Police Training Center, commanded by Havildar Sikilal Maibang.
And the spirit of competition pervades everywhere. But at the same time, feelings of camaraderie, bonds of friendship, and healthy sportsmanship are also developed. And this remains noticeably visible in the week-and-a-half-long event. This Games and Duty Meet serves to identify outstanding sports persons and also facilitates them to represent the department and the state in the regional and national events, and also representing the nation in international events. Many sports persons from the police department have represented the nation at international events in various disciplines, and most notably amongst them are Deputy Commandant retired Lungaini, DSP retired C. Akamau, Deputy Commandant Israel Ruby, DYSP and Olympian Chokrovolo Soro, ABSI Kilanmadan Lamtor, ABSI Kongo Turo, ABSI Zumbo, ABSI Maurice Russo, Havildar Abhishek,
to partnering with you, to partnering with the Olympic fraternity of the country in this exciting new adventure that lies ahead of Indian sports. We all know that sports is a multi-billion-dollar industry that employs hundreds and thousands of people across the globe. It is no longer a recreational or a hobby. Sport is today professional, and the arenas of sporting activities across the world are the new arenas where people and nations show their progress and their might. In order to succeed in this new industry, in order to emerge as a champion, enormous amounts of investments in infrastructure and an ecosystem of sport has to be created.
This is my first visit to Nagaland, and I must say on my very first visit, I wonder why I have not come here earlier. And I must say it is a great honor and privilege for me to be here at the 39th Nagaland Police Duty Come Sports Meet 2021. Sports is an integral part of everybody's life, and it is even more important part of the police force, because one needs to have agility, speed, efficiency, alertness, and above all, the power and grit of determination. It is also a privilege to note that Nagaland is also setting up a sports battalion, the first of its kind in India, and I am sure the rest of India will follow it, and I will be giving this example wherever I visit in India, because I think it's a very innovative idea and is going to produce future champions for our country. Like I come from Srinagar, Kashmir. That's also a small town, not a very big state. And I am President of Indian Olympic Association, President of International Hockey Federation, member of Indian Olympic Association. I would say why not people from Nagaland should also come out. There is nothing like it, just you need to have the determination, and I assure you, you will be there. Just keep that determination. And when this is also a footage, I think, the beginning of the Nagaland. I also come from a hilly area. The people coming from hills have determination, strength, and they are full of vigor and stamina and all those things. So I don't see why I should not be seeing champions coming out of Nagaland. And if you see that Maricom has come from Northeast, Mr. B.P. Baishya was our chef division from Northeast. So just get that feeling out of your mind that Northeast is being ignored. It's very much integral part of India, and we feel proud that we are getting such high-level sportsmen out of this country. And for me, the entire Northeast is very important because most of the medal winners we see of late are coming from this part of our country. We look up to you all that some champions will come out of other sports also, and we participate. Like I see there's a volleyball going on. India is not there in volleyball, so why should we have champions coming out of Nagaland and other states to unite into Team India and participate in the next Olympics?
As on 11th November 2021, Nagaland Police recorded a total of 2,391 positive cases, of which 2,357 have recovered, and we just have one active positive case as of now. And of course, like I mentioned earlier, we lost 14 of our records. Today, on the occasion of the opening ceremony of the 39th edition of Nagaland Police Duty Armed Sports and Games Meet 2021, Nagaland Police would like to acknowledge those officers, men and women, who went beyond the call of duty during the COVID-19 pandemic, rising above their thought of personal well-being and that of the family, and serve the state selflessly.
As you are aware, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, all the activities came to a halt, and the world suffered and continued to suffer. But in all this, collectively, we stand together and face the challenges. And the frontline workers, the police, as some of the awards given to the police officers who were on duty serving the people in this pandemic time. I also extend my congratulations and my appreciation to all the rank and files who had helped our people in the state and elsewhere.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 31 participating teams now peeling off from the stadium after taking the oath. They have taken the oath to respect and abide by the rules and to compete in the true spirit of sportsmanship with integrity, self-control, fair play and teamwork. Wishing all the participating teams of the 39th Nagaland Police Duty Come Sports Meet 2021 all the very best. Thank you.